Here I have XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to get the iOS volume slider on this device. So, as you can see, now I have the standard volume slider here, the default one, XIAOMI volume slider, but you can actually get the iOS volume slider by downloading the app Volume Styles Customize Your Volume Panel Slider from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, tap Start, grant accessibility service permissions here, like this, and now just select this iOS volume slider here, and as you can see, now my volume slider looks like on iOS. Unbelievable. There's also another volume slider here. You can set this other iOS 12 slider and it looks like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.